that's Soda Pop from Soda Hues, and you are watching the Malak channel, and it is another video in the sticker series. This time, we're going to be opening something pretty cool. I actually own original artwork from both of these artists. It's Jessica Luna, the Italian artist, and kellysux. I'm not sure where she's from, but they are both amazing artists and illustrators. I love them both, and they're always really cool to interact with, and yeah, I just love both their styles. This is their Death and Rebirth sticker set, which, you know, I feel like it fit both of their styles so perfectly. kellysux kind of has that dark, morose style usually, and eatslugs or Jessica Luna typically has a very cutesy, colorful aesthetic. Hopefully it focuses pretty well so you can see there's kellysux Death. And I love the very slim vertical nature of the artwork. It makes me think of a lot of the kind of symbolist and allegorical art of the past. It's so cool. I love both of them, and I feel like they complement each other, you know, just absolutely perfectly. I kind of want to do a personal project with these artworks at some point. We'll see if I do. But I just love them together and love the set so much, so I had to get myself a couple of the Death and Rebirth stickers. I don't know if they're still available, but I know kellysux and Jessica Luna are both extremely active artists, and you can go and support them. I'll probably provide links. This isn't a paid promotion at all. I just really love their art, and I loved this sticker set that they did, so, you know, I had to get me one. Thank you so much for your support. Again, maybe get some of my art off my website or support me on Patreon so that I can continue to do this, continue to support artists, and share amazing work. Thanks again, and I hope to see you guys again. Take care.